Hi, welcome back to Kitchen Garden Therapy. Today I'll share with you how to make a delicious eggplant dish called Kashke Bademjan. It is basically an eggplant dip that you can enjoy as an appetizer with some bread or crackers. This year I was growing two varieties of eggplants. This one is Black Beauty, and it's the most common variety of eggplants. I really like it, and I like to harvest them small. And this cute eggplant is called Rosa Bianca, and this is the first time I'm growing it. It's really cute. I like the pinkish, purplish coloring, and it's more round and short than the Black Beauty. So I harvested a lot of eggplants, different shapes and sizes. I got more than 6 pounds, 6.9. So the first thing you would like to do when cooking this dish is to peel all of the eggplants, and I like to use the peeler just because it's easier to do this than with the knife. And I would like to also show you how the Rosa Bianca looks. This is the Rosa Bianca in the left and Black Beauty on the right. Then you would like to slice eggplants into pieces that would be like half an inch, maybe even a third of an inch, and salt them really well and let it sit for about an hour. This step is really necessary to remove all the bitterness that sometimes can be present in eggplants. After they sit for an hour, you rinse them well and dry on paper towel, just so it's easier to fry them. So you'll have to fry each and every piece of an eggplant on both sides, and then I like to let them drain on paper towel. So when I take them out, I put it on the plate lined with paper towel to remove the excess oil. After you're done with eggplants, you can fry 1 large or 2 small onions. I like to use a red onion with some garlic. And now you can add eggplants to onion and garlic and blend them. You can use any type of a blender you have. I like to use this one because I don't like to make my dip completely pureed. I like to leave a few pieces here and there for the texture. Also, this dish requires some mint. So you have to take dry mint and fry it in a little bit of oil just until you start smelling the minty flavor. So just for about a minute. Then you add fried mint to your eggplants. Another ingredient that has to be in this dish is called Khask, which is aged whey or whey paste. You have to dilute it with a little bit of water to make like a sauce. And whey is something that's being left over after making different types of cheese. So it's a dairy product. And when you dilute it with water, you add it to the eggplants, and it tastes really good together. Next are walnuts. Chopped just a bit, like coarse pieces, and that's it. Our Kashke Bademjan appetizer or a dip is ready, and you can enjoy it with either bread or crackers as I'm doing right here. I'll write the proportions in the description below. I hope you like it. Give it a try. And I'll see you next time. Bye.